Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a shared story on Snapchat. So open up Snapchat. What is a shared story? Well, actually it's a new feature that allows other people to join in your story basically. Let me just find it. There it is. And you can add more people, they can add other people, and a lot of people can join in the story and add to their own and basically have a good old fun time. So what you have to do is basically just click new story right over here, not here, right over here, click new story. And here you can see new shared story. Friends can view, post and add new members to it. So just click add new story and create shared story. Share stories provide spaces to share snaps and make new friends. Please review or you can rate it if you care and continue. And here you can add who you want to create a story with. Save. And there we go. Now all you have to do is of course take a picture. Add to it. Send. Okay. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time, and happy sharing your stories.